Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Foam here, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix lag in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Now, as you guys can see, so we are in the jungle biome, and this is one of the most laggiest biomes in Minecraft Pocket Edition and just in Minecraft in general. And so you can see I'm getting a smooth 50 FPS, which is quite reasonable for a mobile device, not gonna lie. And yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this FPS as well as how to fix lag. So yeah, so let me just show you guys. So firstly, what you're going to do is go ahead and into your pause button and then go ahead and click on settings. So I'll click on your pause button, then click on settings. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and select video. Now, once you're in video, what you need to do, all right. So let me just quickly change my camera mode as well. So once you're in video, what you need to do is go ahead and then what you need to do is deselect render clouds, beautiful sky, smooth lighting, and fancy graphics should also be deselected. All right, now this is really important. And then what you're going to do is reduce your render distance from 16 chunks all the way to 12 chunks. And that's basically it. And now what you're going to do is go ahead and exit. And you can see that, look at this, guys. So I'm moving around in the jungle and there is literally zero lag over here, guys. So I'm going to be showing you guys by flying across the jungle. And as you guys can see, so everything is loading really quickly. And there is basically zero lag over here. Well, at least almost zero lag. And you can see that we are comfortably reaching between 40 and even 60 FPS sometimes. And this is basically how you fix lag in Minecraft Pocket Edition. So it's really that simple. So as you guys can see, we were at 54 right now. And okay, guys, so this is basically how you fix lag. So if you guys did find this video useful, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Now, goodbye.